New to Texas, it's the first Wednesday of the month. It's either 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, depending upon your area. The outdoor warning signs go off. That doesn't mean that there's an issue. They test them on the first Wednesday of every month. Also, keep in mind that the sirens that do go off when there's something happening doesn't necessarily mean that there's a tornado that's happening. It could mean that there's high winds that's going on. So pay attention, but the first Wednesday of every month at either noon or 1 o'clock, they're testing the sirens. Have a great day. Welcome to Texas.